Hi, I am Sam I am. Hi, I am Guy Am I.
Hi, I'm Fanboy. Hi, I'm Chum.
Hi, I'm Vector. Hi, I'm Sonny McCookabird.
And hi, I'm Bowser Jr.
And today, me and my friends are going to see The Muppets Most Wanted in 3D. Shout out K2, how dare you watch Epic from 2013 when you're supposed to watch The Muppets Most Wanted, but you did not know Pinky Dinky Doo on DVD for you. When we get home, I'll switch it from Pinky Dinky Doo on Universal Kids to SpongeBob SquarePants on Nicktoons. Why, la. Welcome to the movies. How may I help you? 7 tickets to see The Muppets Most Wanted. Enjoy the show after the movie was over.
Hello, welcome to Chili's. How can I take your order?
Me and my friends would like smokehouse combos.
Wait at your tables.
No, I don't want Chili's. Chili's is gross. I want to go to Join Lyrics.
No, we're not going to join lyrics. We are eating Chili's now.
Dark Con has to eat Chili's with Sam I Am, Guy Am My, Fanboy, Vector, Sonny the Coke Bird, Bowser Jr., and Chum. Or else we'll force you to watch Garfield and Friends after you die regardless. No! Dark Con, how do you throw away these guys' food away? That's it. You are grounded until Piccolo Rule Super Y Sucks 2006 reaches 40 subscribers. This means no Super Y, no Pinky Dinky Doo, no Epic from 2013, no Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, no other other stuff you like. Courage the Cowardly Dog will come right after these messages. Oh goody, I love Courage the Cowardly Dog.